Hi everybody, my name is Josh Jones and I've been invited by the Harrison County Library System, specifically the children's librarian, Kelsey Jones, to help lead our summer reading time today, okay? The reason is because I'm here with my mom, Robin Jones, who is an American Sign Language interpreter. Having grown up in a house that sign language was used frequently, my grandparents were deaf, her parents are deaf. She's what's known as a CODA, which just stands for a child of deaf adults. Okay, and so today we're going to go through some sign language basics and just learn a few signs that we could use in everyday life with the deaf community that's around us all the time. Okay, Ms. Jones, tell us your experience. So how many years of experience do you have interpreting?
Professionally, about 17 years with deaf students, and also about 40 just with my parents.
Okay, so growing up, you would help them at the doctor's office, grocery store, wherever needed.
Yes,
cool.
I would.
Cool. Okay, so let's go over some common signs that we could use in everyday life, like a phrase such as "Hi, my name is."
Okay. This is hi. That's pretty basic. Just put your hand on your chest. Name is, and then my name is Robin, of course, if you've been told. R-O-B-I-N.
So I noticed you finger spell the name using the ASL alphabet, which we will include as part of this video, a link to a standard ASL American Sign Language alphabet. But isn't it true that in the deaf community, names can be given? Is that right?
Yes, that's very true. As, for example, my name is signed Robin, just an R on my chin. Well, to my parents, I was very cherished. I was, their first child, and they gave me the sign, R, just put it on my chin. And so,
Any other friends that have names that would make sense to maybe them, but not outsiders?
Yes, like some of my friends, growing up, they would maybe have like really curly hair, like Brianna. We would do the B, and just her hair would be really wavy. It's somehow the deaf community gives you the sign, and it's connected to your personality or something about you that they want. If you're another friend of mine, Lauren, she laughs a lot. Well, they gave her the sign with the L, that's L in sign language. You put it on your chin and like you're laughing.
Oh, wow. That is really unique, really cool. But always you can finger spell a name. Of course,
yes,
if you don't know somebody as well, just spell it out. And let's go over the alphabet. So let's start, just the standard alphabet for our viewers, and something just they could refer back to.
Okay, we're going to start off with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Cool. Okay, great. So just some common nouns that we might see. So we love dogs in this house. We have a lot of dogs in our house and stuff that we can use as part of our family. So for instance, mom. What's mom?
This is mom.
Dad?
Dad.
Okay, so very close. So mom.
Mom and dad.
Dad. Okay. Sister?
Sister is like the little girls who wear bonnets. It's like you put your thumb right here, and that's girl.
Okay, gotcha. Brother.
Brother.
Okay, grandma. Is it close to mother?
You just add another hand to the first hand, so that's grandmother.
Got it. Okay, and move it forward.
Move it forward.
Gotcha.
Yes, you do.
Grandfather, grandpa.
You just move it to your
Okay,
forehead.
so let's recap. So we got mom,
Mom.
dad,
Dad.
grandpa.
Grandpa,
and grandma.
grandma.
Okay, and brother was?
Brother, you put it on your forehead.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. And dogs?
Okay, dogs, you snap your finger and do this.
Oh, like you're calling them, right? Okay.
That is correct.
Now, did specific breeds? So like, or do you just spell those out?
Yeah, you would just for instance, a corgi, C-O-R-G-I.
Okay. And what about cats?
Cat, you like the little whiskers that come off of their face.
Okay. So let's see. So you put 3 fingers out and then just pull those out.
Whiskers.
Okay. So we got a cat named Oliver. He's a big fat cat. How would you spell him?
Okay. Oliver, we would spell it, and a big fat. This is fat and this is big.
Okay.
Cat.
Big fat cat. Okay.
Fat cat.
Got it. All right. For example, here is our dog, Wolf. How would we spell that, Miss Jones?
W-O-O-F.
Okay. So Wolf is a corgi.
Wolf is a C-O-R-G-I. Corgi.
What about brat? Do we finger spell that?
Yeah, brat.
Okay, so he's also a brat, as you can obviously tell. Spoiled little thing.
Very spoiled.
Rotten. Okay, and here we've got Chewy. He is a Kojak. So just C-O-J-A-C-K. Kind of a mix between a Corgi and a Jack Russell, so we call him Kojak. He's a good little boy. He's also spoiled, very rotten too, though. And now we're going to go over some common nouns, okay, that we can use in everyday. What about library? Okay, so that's the L, right?
This is the letter L.
Okay, what about books? Books,
It's a
okay.
sign for book.
Makes sense, okay. What about hungry?
Hungry.
Great, okay. And then let's see, how about school?
School.
Okay. Summer.
Summer. You put it on your forehead. Move it back.
Gotcha. And then what about bye or see you later?
Okay. Bye and hi.
Okay.
See you later.
One thing that I've always found interesting is when deaf people want to show their appreciation at an event, how do they clap? What is the I always thought that was so cool, okay? And so right here,
because they're not able to hear the clapping, but when they see you doing this, they know they've done a good job.
Expresses their appreciation. So let's give a big clap for Miss Robin. Thank her for being here today. And thank you all for watching. Keep an eye on our social media page for updates, and we'll post that sign language alphabet. And thanks for joining us.